This is Alan Bush with the Daily Financial Forecast for Thursday, July 25th. Stock index futures starting out higher with the European Central Bank indicating that they are likely to ease credit at the next meeting in September, but apparently not at the meeting they held today. So traders taking a second look at what the ECB had to say, including Mario Draghi's comments. So when it's all said and done, apparently the ECB was not quite as dovish as some had anticipated with a second look at what was said. So that caused stock index futures to go from higher on the day to lower on the day. Seeing the dollar index under a little pressure initially, seeing the euro currency firming basically on the feeling that the ECB has become a bit more, I would say, in a position of needing to delay a rate cut. Also, there's some talk that at the September meeting, the ECB could be reestablishing its quantitative easing program. Interest rate markets seeing the bonds trading higher initially, coming under quite a bit of pressure with a second look at what the ECB had to say. So I think with what we're seeing now, central banks are still on a course to lower interest rates globally. This break we're seeing in the stock index futures off of the highs, the break in the interest rate futures markets off of the highs, in the gold market as well, coming off of its highs, I believe is a buying opportunity for all of these markets. So even though they are lower currently, I think there will be recovery gains this afternoon as nothing has changed. Central banks are going to lower interest rates, which will remain supportive to the indices, supportive to the interest rate futures markets, and also the precious metals. So good buying opportunities here at these lower levels for these markets. So good trading, everyone. And once again, remember, these are my opinions alone and are not the opinions of ADM or Archer Daniels Midland.